Hey, what's up guys? Jace over here at Marketinghy, and today I'm going to go over this little marketing sheet, and I hope it helps some of you. Let's see if you can see all that. Okay, so the whole idea is marketing does not need to be complicated, and so we want to keep it simple. At the end of the day, if I show you this little step number one, I'll just put it aside. Try to stick to this side and keep things simple. First off, you have a product or service, okay? That product or service solves a problem of some sort, or it better solve a problem of some sort. If you're a property manager, okay, the problem you're solving is people don't want to manage their own properties. It's complicated. It's a pain in the butt. And so tell people that. And you don't need to overcomplicate it. You don't need to come up with some amazing slogan or anything that tries to sound pretty. The idea behind marketing is tell people how it is, tell people the problem you solve, and then create a clear message. Kind of simple. Step number two. Make sure you create a clear message. Then after that, all you want to do is share your message. Share your message on social media, share your message on video, share your message on your website, on brochures, whatever you want to do. You're just going to take that clear, simple message and you're just going to put it out there. Okay, and then at the end, you're going to invite people. Give them a call to action. I'm always surprised about these companies that build these amazing videos. They go out there and they'll spend hundreds of thousands of dollars, and the video doesn't even invite people to do things. So you want a clear call to action and invite them to change. Invite them to buy it. Invite them to try, and that's it. But what most people do is they do this complicated side. Okay. They first confuse the heck out of their audience because they don't create a simple message. They want to talk about all the features of their product, how it does this, how it does this, how it solves this, how it's this colors, and they forget at the end of the day they're there to solve a problem, and they don't ever speak to the customer and the customer's problem. Okay, they use too many words. They have too many marketing strategies. They're doing too much. They have too many messages. So you'll go to a lot of websites and you have no idea what they do because they're sharing so many different messages. And what you want to do is stick to one message. Another thing they do is, if you kind of keep going, they have too many websites, they have too many funnels, they have too many platforms, and it's just they overcomplicate things and they can never ever figure out the one thing that's going to get them customers or service. They'll run display ads, video ads, Instagram ads, and it's not bad to do all this stuff. It's just what you need to do is find one avenue that's going to produce you income and then turn around and expand out from there. But you need to have one avenue that produces you good income, build it up, then go out to other avenues. But what most companies like to do, they like to do everything all at once, and it just gets too complicated. And at the end of the day, they are not getting the results they want. Okay, so this week, simplify your marketing. Keep it simple. I promise you, if you keep it simple, you're going to see a lot better results. Plus, you're not going to confuse everyone. So good luck. Keep marketing. If you have questions, always reach out to us. You can find us marketinghy.com, or even go to our other company, sister company, ydraw.com if you're looking for a video. And that is it. Peace.